Good evening, everyone. It was another cold day out there across central Illinois, but after a snowy start, we did see that sunshine return to the area. Temperatures are in the 30s for many locations, although a few are starting to fall down into the 20s. It's 28 in Robinson and in Danville. Paris is at 29. We're at 32 here in Charleston, and Decatur and Taylorville are both at 33 degrees. Feeling even colder, though, feeling like the 20s in many locations, and that is thanks to these winds, which are out of the southwest. And since they're out of the south and southwest, that will help keep our temperatures from falling as low tonight. So we are expecting a little bit warmer of an overnight tonight. SkyTrack shows those mostly clear skies that have worked in across the afternoon hours. But as you'll notice off to the west, we are starting to see more clouds stream in, and that's going to be ahead of a cold front that's going to be bringing us snow chances as we get into the morning tomorrow. But again, locally, we're just seeing those mostly clear skies through the evening hours, and that's what we can expect if you're headed out the door this evening. And as we get into the overnight hours, that's when we'll start to notice those clouds begin to increase across the area. Again, those southwest winds will help keep those temperatures from falling quite as low, only down to 29 for your overnight low. And then once those clouds stream in, that'll help keep some of that warm air at the surface as well. But once we get into the early morning hours tomorrow, that's when the chances for snow return. And you can see that picking up into the area right around the morning commute, starting to work its way through the viewing area. So expect some slick conditions if you start the day, especially in our far northwestern counties. That's where the snow will pick up first. And then that snow will be fairly quickly moving out of the area. Once we get into the noon hour, we're going to see most of that snow pushing along and south of Interstate 70. So lingering in places like Robinson and Terre Haute, but much of the area going to be clearing out. And we'll even see the clouds start to clear out into the afternoon hours, that cloud cover working its way southward by the evening hours, and we're going to be expecting mostly clear skies for the evening. And putting Futurecast snow totals into motion, we're not expecting much snow with this event. Many locations seeing an inch or less, and lesser totals further off to the south, as we could see some rain or sleet mix in tomorrow afternoon as temperatures climb up near the freezing mark. As we look at your temperatures for your Thursday, it's going to be another cold day. 33 at 9 a.m. We top out at 34 for our daytime high, and then that cold front slides through, and that's going to be dropping our temperatures into the afternoon hours. But that's also going to be clearing the clouds, and we will see partly cloudy skies by the evening and temperatures falling down to 28, and it's only going to get colder from there. We do see more sunshine for Friday as high pressure sets up, but it's going to be remaining cold for us on Friday. Another system looks to pass just to our southwest. That's going to bring us some cloud cover into the weekend, but the best chances for snow and rain look to stay along the Ohio River. So we should stay dry. Just notice an increase in that cloud cover. But like I mentioned, going to be cold, 30 on Friday, only 31 on Saturday. And as we get into Sunday, we'll slowly start to see those temperatures warm up. But that warming trend is going to be slow as we get into next week. 37 on Monday, only 39 on Tuesday. Once we get into Wednesday, we'll see temperatures climb up more near seasonal levels. Our average high is 43, and on Wednesday, we're looking at a high of 41 degrees.